guys, welcome back to Challenge Monday. Today I am going to be doing a fun slime video. And what slime video I'm doing, so I made this huge blue slime I made on Wednesday. And it's a nice light blue slime. And I am going to try to make an identical of this slime. Now, I know you guys can't feel it, unfortunately, but based on what you observe and based on the trust in me, I promise you I will give you an honest result of how I did. This slime right now, if you cannot tell, it is very, okay, so if I stretch it, it's very stretchy, but it's very thick. And I really don't get those vibes, so I don't know why it's super stretchy. So that's what is going to be the challenge in this video. I'm really going to struggle, and I don't know how I'm going to do. And I don't have the girls here to help me because trust me, they are what makes slime keep going, because I'm not as talented and I don't know as much knowledge. Also, I am going to try to make the same color. Okay, enough talking, let's get to the video. Alright, so you just saw me do that slime, make this slime. And this slime it's definitely not a replica of this. If we want this to match this, there's going to be a lot of work still to be done to this white slime. The first thing that needs done is we need to get this more thick. So I need this to be thicker. So I'm going to add more shaving cream to match this. And the hard thing about this slime is I added 2 slimes to it. And so I have to think of the 2 textures, what I mixed to make this the same. And I promise I will not add this slime for the color. I promise. So let's go for the shaving cream. so you just saw that slime. I added some shaving cream and it's a lot less sticky to my hands. And it's definitely starting to feel like the same type of slime. I still think though that it's still a little slightly sticky. Let me show you just kind of what I mean. So if I take this slime and I make a little slime swirl, I take this slime and I make a little slime swirl. When I go to squish them like this, they both kind of stick, but look, this one like really droops. So that means the white one is still a little too sticky for our twin or our replica. So, and by the way, thank you, Finn, for letting me use your vanity. I am at Finn's vanity because this would be bad to do on the table, and it's too cold downstairs. So this is just the safest place. Shoot! Okay, I have a bunch of slime residue from this slime on my hands, and now let's get into this slime. Shoot. Anyway, I am going to continue adding some more shaving cream and just slowly adding that into the slime. I'm sure you've already seen me do enough of this. That is what I'm doing now that it's getting, oh my gosh. But I am ready to add color. As you can see, I have a wide variety of colors that I have got for this purpose. And I don't think any of them match this. This is going to be really hard. So I think I'm going to just stick with this blue and maybe a darker blue in the future. So let's get coloring. So if you look at this, I added more of that color and I added some activator. And this slime is too blue. If you look very carefully, you see a lot of blue, but compared to this, there is some green in there. So, to my lucky markers that fell out of the bag, I am going to pick a green. I think that one's the one, right? They get home late tonight from their swim meet, so I am going to ask them what they think, and then I'm going to mix them, and we'll see what the slime turns out to be then. Back from their swim meet is the next morning, and we are going to have the girls feel these slimes I made the slimes that I made yesterday. If you can remember which one is the twin. So girls, yesterday I made a video where I tried to replicate a slime that I already have, okay? You are going to feel these two slimes, try to guess which one is new, okay? And then tell me how you think they replicate. Are they really like very similar slime? Or are they?
I think that one's the new one.
Okay, so Ben thinks that this one is the new one.
Definitely, this one is less fluffy than that one and less jiggly. The color is very different. That's the replica of this one. I think this is the replica of this one.
Okay, so wait. Say that again.
I think this is the replica. I think this is the replica.
The person that is right is Ava. Ben's is the replica. Ava's is the original. And I could not get the original color because, do you remember I made the slime art, the beach? And so there were so many colors to make this color. I'm like, ah! So I tried my best. The Finn's is a little darker.
And a lot more fluffy.
So, but, that's it. How do you make the twins?
That's 7.
Ben?
8.
Okay. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week. Bye.